Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your Sales Tip of the Week. Today I want to talk to you about the demo ride. Not so much the actual physical ride, but about your customer's posture during the ride. Always remember that you are a professional salesperson, and being such, we have a tendency to scare our customers. Now, not intentionally, but just based on who we are, our motives in the sales process, and why we're actually taking a drive. Unfortunately, we have learned that the more we as salespeople talk, the more defensive the customer becomes. Sure, we want to sell all the features and benefits the car has to offer, but not at the expense of making the customer more defensive. The old school approach during the demo drive is to sell all the features the car has to offer, create an ongoing dialogue with the customer, and maybe insert a few trial closes. My tip for you is this: stop talking during the demo drive. Sit there silently and listen and observe. Ironically, the customer will eventually talk. They might talk to the other person who is there with them. They may talk to you, and some even talk to themselves. If they talk to the person that they are with, many will ask the same questions to them as you would have, such as, how does it drive? Do you like it? Etc. Now, these questions are less threatening because of who is asking them. Let the customer control the conversation, not you controlling them. Let the conversation lead wherever it may. If the customer wants to talk about the car, so be it. If they want to talk about the weather, so be it. Again, let them be in control of this part of the process. Now, I know some of you are saying, I already do this. But do you? Do you actually sit there and wait for conversation? Always remember this old adage that says, a child should be seen and not heard. Well, the same goes for the demo drive, and that is that the salesperson should be silent until spoken to. This is the best way for the customer to fall in love with you and the car. Good luck, everyone, and have a great week.